Hello students, today we are going to learn poem 7 of class 9 CBSE syllabus, The Song of the Rain by Khalil Gibran. Now let us know something about our poet Khalil Gibran. Khalil Gibran was born on 6 Jan 1883. He died on 10 April 1931. Some of the major work of Khalil Gibran are Sand and Foam, The Prophet, Broken Wings. He was a Lebanese American artist, poet and writer. Now let us begin with the poem. Stanza 1. I am dotted silver threads dropped from heaven by the gods. Nature then takes me to adorn her field and valleys. Let us understand the meanings of the word adorn. Adorn means to decorate or to add beauty to. Now, the rain is saying that I am dotted silver threads. That means when the raindrops are falling one by one like this, they forms as if they appears as if they have made a thread. They appears like a thread, and since they are silver in color, so they are dropped from heaven. That is, they are falling from the sky by the gods, means by the express orders of the god, or we can say that the rain is being sent by the god. Nature then takes me. Now it is saying that when I come down on the earth, Mother Nature takes me, it uses me to adorn, to decorate her fields and valleys that make up her domain. Now next stanza is, I am beautiful pearls plucked from the crown of Ishtar by the daughter of dawn to embellish the garden. Now he is saying that I am like the very pearls, the gemstones that has made the crown of the goddess Ishtar, and I am being detached. Detached means to separate. So I am being separated from the crown of the god Ishtar. Ishtar was the goddess of fertility, love, war and sex, and she is being put to use by the daughter of dawn. Now in general, dawn refers to the sunlight, the first light. So we can say that the rain is talking about the morning time. When the rain falls, in the presence of the sunlight, it decorates the garden. That means at that particular moment, the garden looks more beautiful. Next stanza is, when I cry, the hills laugh. When I humble myself, the flowers rejoice. When I bow, all things are elated. Elated means being very happy and excited. Now the poet has used words like I cry, I humble and I bow. These three words basically refers to the intensity of the rain. When it says I cry, that means it is falling very heavily. So when it is falling very heavily, the hills laugh. That is, everything on the hills, they rejoice, they revive their life. When I humble myself, the flowers rejoice. Now this humble refers to the gently and smoothly falling of the rain. So it is saying that when I fall gently and smoothly, the flowers, they feel mirthful, they feel happy, they are very excited for the rain. When I bow, now here the bow refers to the sprinkling of the rivers. That is, when rain sprinkles, then all things refer to the plants, animals, aquatic animals, human beings and all the living beings. So it is saying that when I sprinkle on the earth, all things are very happy, they feel very excited because they are getting the nourishment. Let's move on to the next stanza. The field and the cloud are lovers, and between them I am a messenger of mercy. I quench the thirst of the one, I cure the ailment of the other. Now we can say that here the field and the cloud are lovers. Cloud and fields are the love couples. Field refers to the earth here and clouds, as you know, clouds. So what the rain is doing, that it is passing the love letters of the cloud and the earth. We can say that it is basically representing the procedure. That is, this is earth, this is how the water evaporates, they form clouds, and at last on condensation they fall down as rain. So the rain is doing, it is basically passing the love letter of field to the cloud, from cloud to the field. So this is basically the cycle of the rain. I quench. Quench refers to the satisfaction. So it is saying that I am satiating the thirst of the one. Here one refers to the field, because it is the field, it is the earth who needs the water for each and everything, be it plants, be it animals, be it human beings. So it is saying that I am satiating the thirst, I am setting the thirst of the earth. I cure the ailment. Ailment refers to the illness. And what kind of illness the other? Other is the cloud is having. Basically, the cloud is now full with the water. It is brimming. It is in the stage of pregnancy. So what rain does it helps the cloud in bursting, and when the rain falls down, the cloud feels light. So it is saying that I am helping the cloud in getting rid of that excess of water and making it feel light. Next stanza E, the voice of thunder declares my arrival. The rainbow announces my departure. I am like earthly life, which begins at the feet of the mad elements and ends under the upraised wings of death. Now it is saying that the rain is preceded by the voice of the thunder. That sound of lightning is before the rain comes. And similarly, the formation of rain, it warns of the time when rain will be leaving. And now it is comparing itself with that of the human life. It is saying that my life is as brief as a human being. I am born of the elements, that is the water, and man is born of the earth, and none of us is going to live forever. Moving on to the next stanza, I emerge from the heart of the sea and soar with the breeze. When I see a field in need, I descend and embrace the flowers, the trees in a million little ways. Now it is saying that I am taking birth from the heart of the sea, means I am taking birth from the depth of the sea, and soar with the breeze, that is I am being raised up in the air, moving along with the air, and when I am flying high, I can see the fields which are expecting us, which is expecting the rain. So when I found such field, I descend, that is I get down, I come down and embrace and decorate the flowers. I am hugging the each and every flower and leaves that is there in the field. I hope this stanza is clear. Now let's move on to the next stanza. I touch gently at the windows with my soft fingers, and my announcement is a welcome song. All can hear, but only the sensitive can understand. Now, rain is saying that I am touching the window of each and every household. That is, I am reaching the doors of each house. But only few can hear, only few can understand me. That means everybody can hear that rain is there, but only few can enjoy that. Only few can feel that emotional feeling attached with the rain. And my announcement is a welcome song. Now it is saying that when I came, I am singing. People are enjoying when I come. Life on earth is being revived with my arrival. Next stanza is, I am the sigh of the sea, the laughter of the field, the tears of the heaven. Now sigh refers to the deep breath. So it is saying that sea takes the deep breath. That means the process of the beginning or the process of life of the rain starts from the sea. The laughter of the field, yani I am the reason for a field to laugh. I am the reason for a field to enjoy, to rejoice, to feel mirthful. The tears of the heaven. These tears of the heaven refers to the God. It is saying that when I am falling, that means I am the tears of the gods who are in the heaven. Hope this stanza is clear. Moving on to the next stanza. So with love, sigh from the deep sea of affection, laughter from the colorful field of the spirit, tears from the endless heaven of the memories. It seems as if rain is signing off a letter. It is offering its love along with the sigh. As we have already discussed in the last paragraph, that I am the sigh of the sea. So it is again repeating that it is offering its love along with the sigh of the sea, laughter of the fields and tears of the heaven. That means all the parts which are forming a part of the life on the earth.